300 kilometers south of Tokyo's glowing neon skyline, lost in the vast expanse of the Philippine Sea, lies one of the most geographically improbable settlements on Earth. This is Aogashima, a tiny tropical island formed by a rare and breathtaking geological wonder, a volcano built inside another volcano. Framed by steep, insurmountable sea cliffs and dense emerald vegetation, the island is actually a giant active Class C volcano, housing a smaller central cone known as Maruyama. Yet, nestled deep within the crater floor and along its outer rim, nearly 170 people live, work, and raise families inside this living geological furnace. Living here means existing in total isolation. Access to the outside world is controlled entirely by the unpredictable whims of ocean weather and heavy sea currents. With no natural harbors, supply ships frequently fail to dock. For days, sometimes weeks, the islanders are completely cut off from the rest of humanity. The volcano's history is far from peaceful. In 1785, a massive eruption forced a complete evacuation, claiming the lives of nearly half the island's population. For nearly 50 years, Aogashima remained entirely uninhabited, surrendered to silence and wild nature before brave descendants returned to rebuild their lives. Today, the heat that once threatened to destroy human life has been harnessed into a vital resource for everyday survival. Throughout the inner caldera, geothermal steam, known locally as hinya, rises freely from hundreds of vents scattered across the forest floor. Islanders utilize this natural earth energy to power communal saunas, heat public facilities, and cook daily meals using built-in public steam cookers. The island even produces its famous hinya salt by slowly evaporating mineral-rich seawater using the volcano's natural heat over several weeks. Life in Aogashima operates at an unhurried, peaceful rhythm. There is a single small school, a general store, a post office, and a few quiet family-run inns. Traffic lights do not exist here, and crime is so non-existent that residents rarely lock their front doors. Because the island is hundreds of miles away from mainland light pollution, nightfall transforms Aogashima into an observatory beneath the cosmos. Locals gather along the crater rim to gaze at thousands of stars reflecting off the surrounding Philippine Sea, a view few humans ever get to experience. Yet, beneath this idyllic tranquility lies the quiet, lingering reality that the ground beneath their feet is still very much alive. Seismographs and heat sensors continuously monitor the heart of the volcano, watching for subtle shifts, gas leaks, or tremors deep in the crust. For the residents of Aogashima, living alongside unpredictable nature is not a source of fear, but a reminder of human humility and resilience. They have adapted to the volcano, learning to live in harmony with an environment that provides both power and peril in equal measure. Aogashima stands as a striking symbol of how human culture can flourish in Earth's most dangerous and secluded pockets. It teaches us that home is not merely defined by safety, but by community, connection, and the courage to build a life on the edge of the world.